I got a parcel here, bought on 24th of April. You could download the app really from buyee.jp, available on iOS or Android, and just have a look around. You don't have to buy G-Shock all the time. You could buy anything else. There are tons of things that you could buy from Japan. In this case, of course, I'll be buying G-Shock watches. So the one that we're gonna unbox today is the GMWB 5000GD-1JF, the all black version. I bought this at 33,500 Japanese yen. Oh, I have to point out, excuse for the cracked screen. I don't intend to fix this phone at all because it's too expensive. You know how Apple works, right? So I'm just gonna buy a new phone somewhere at the end of the year. So let's focus on the contents here, guys. I bought this square G-Shock. After I bought this square G-Shock, the GWB 5600, right? So rarely wear this. Surprisingly, I've been wearing other G-Shock because I have too many. That's a problem for me right now. Anyway, I don't think I'll be keeping this for long since I already have this, but let's unbox this thing first. Obviously, this video is sponsored by buyee.jp. They are the proxy shopping service website based in Japan, in which I buy this watch from. So I didn't repack this parcel at all. I just told them, just ship it as it is, and here it is. It's stuck in Japan in their warehouse for about 3 months now, right? Yeah, 3 months stuck in the warehouse, and I didn't expect this thing to look good. Let's see now. And yep, so far the box is still intact, even though this parcel has stuck in Japan for about 3 months in their warehouse. Really glad it looks good. Anyway, I bought this G-Shock watch also before Casio released the new G Squad, also before the new G-Lite series watch, but I already bought all of those models as well. They are still in delivery. So right now we're just gonna have a look at a watch that I already purchased before again. Ooh, check this out. Look at the retail price of this watch, 68,000 Japanese yen plus 10% tax, and I only paid less than half than the original retail price, which is great. So that's why I always buy used G-Shock watches, especially those that are old. Check this out. Even have all the box and papers. This is the price tag. This is the manual book. This is the things that you get. I mean, if you know what you're doing, of course. You could save a lot of money this way if you buy used watches in Japan, because there are G-Shock. I mean, they could last you a while, especially these new models. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh yeah, not sure you guys know, this is the first time I laid my hands onto one of these new square. Well, not technically new, it is quite old at this point of time, but to me it is. Alright, to me it is. Ooh, check this out, guys. It also have the band tag with Bluetooth, solar powered, and extra bracelet links just in case I need to change it. Let's see if I could fit this thing in here. There we go. Pretty cool. Okay, let me put all this box aside. Okay, today's, guys, just a unboxing video. Okay, sponsored by buyee.jp. You could check the link down in the description box. And if you just sign up, you will earn 1,000 yen discount on your first purchase, which is great. You could save much more money than I did because this is not my first purchase anymore. So I'm pretty sure it's already been set up to my wrist size, because most of the Japanese people have, well, same wrist size as me. Maybe we are pretty skinny, guys. Okay, okay, this is pretty loose, but so far so good. Check this out. These are the extra links. This is the watch. Oh wow. Wait a minute. I was expecting to feel something that is a lot heavier than one of these, but first impression goes, it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna like this. Oh wow, I just realized that not all of the parts in this color, the black version, is in gloss finishing. I just noticed that. Oh, okay. Unlike if you bought the silver version, if I'm not mistaken, that would be a lot flashier than this thing. So I think I just made the right choice by purchasing this all black ones. Although I'm pretty sure this will be changed in the future. Because they already released the laser engraved version, but you know what? I don't like all this mess in the surface of my watch, so this will be doing just fine for me. So this is it, guys. A quick unboxing video for my first GMWB 5000 GD G-Shock. Would have thought? G-Shock review channel, and I just got it today. This was actually somewhere like last year or so. I'm pretty late. I'm also late on the new G Squad, but still they are coming, so stay tuned. More detailed review video will be made for this thing after I wear it for a good few days, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, right now, again guys, check the link down in the description box. Thank to buyee.jp for making this video possible. So if you want to buy used G-Shock watch and save yourself a ton of money, check this out. Buy them from Japan. Okay, thank you very much for watching.